Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hossein is here with another video about some motorcycles. So here's the story. I don't know if you remember my 1978 Honda CB400, the Honda Matic. I posted a video. I can put a link in the comments to that video. I sold that motorcycle because, ooh, look at this. Yeah, I sold that motorcycle like a couple days ago because even though I loved that bike, I had some issues with the title because technically it didn't come with a title. And honestly, even though I loved the bike, I didn't want to deal with the state patrol inspections and all that complexities and wait for 3 years to get a title. So I decided to let go of that bike. So yeah, since I still have my XR650L, I was looking for a lightweight, smaller displacement, something under 250 cc's, basically to be able to put it on the back of my trailer hitch and take it to the camping, take it like wherever we go on a camping trips or like road trips. I had a budget of about $2,000 max. So I came across two options on Craigslist. First option was a 1983 Honda XL200R, and the second option was a unknown Suzuki model, which it was a Suzuki SP200 for 1986. There was a lot of information about the Honda XL200, but there wasn't much information out there about the Suzuki model. I tried so hard to find some information about that, and then I realized that's a kind of a successor model to the Suzuki DR200. And when I compared the specs, I realized that the Suzuki, the SP200, is like about 30 pounds lighter than the Honda XL. Also had a bigger like original gas tank. And on the other hand, the Suzuki one was like 3 years newer. And when I compared the condition of both of the bikes, I decided to go to dare myself and go with the rare Suzuki SP200. So yeah, today actually I'm going to pick up the bike. So yeah, I'll probably Uber there. It's gonna be like a 30-40 minutes drive. I'm gonna get an Uber there and I'll be riding back the bike. I'll be riding home the bike. So yeah, I'll keep you posted. Alright, good. I'm back, and here she is. First, I'll give you a visual tour of the bike. As you can see, the bike is in really decent condition. Like, the previous owner had this bike for 11 years and he barely rode it for like probably 20 miles. So recently he changed a lot of stuff like brakes, like carbs, some of the housings. There are a lot of facts that I love about this bike, especially in compared to the Honda XL200. I love XLs, but this specific bike had some advantages to that other bike. So first thing first, I love the look of this bike way better than the XL200. I mean, come on, it's a 1986 model, but you can't tell that. Even like the brand new DR650s are look almost similar. Like you can't tell if it's like a over 30 years old bike. The other thing is I love those gold rims. Look at them, they are originals, but they are in pretty decent shape. If you look them quite closely, as you can see, they are pretty decent. Also, the engine, the motor, no oil leak, and it's like original engine. It looks brand new, right? Also the carburetor, the previous owner replaced it with a brand new carburetor. Also, as you can see, there is no rust, or like underneath there is no like leak, any oil leak, anything at all, right? And the swing arm is almost new, like there is no rust or corrosion. Even the chain is in pretty good shape. So yeah, and then plastic is pretty good, like a couple of scratches here, but nothing crazy. But the gas tank is just like, the fact that it's a large gas tank, large original gas tank, is just amazing, and I love that. Also, there is no like crazy dents, just some minor like super small dents in this side. But like the worst part is like this side. As you can see, there are quite a few dents this side, but it's nothing like crazy. I'll probably need to touch up those. And then again, the motor, the carb, the exhaust pipe, the engine case. And one interesting thing about this Suzuki is you don't have to, there is no like dipstick. This is the indicator of the oil, which it shows if it's full or the oil level is low, right? And here again, the swing arm looks pretty new, the rim, but the seat is like almost new. This is the original seat, right? This is the original seat, almost new. And the other exciting part about this, it has the upgraded exhaust. It has the upgraded exhaust. It sounds amazing, and I love how it sounds. And the handlebar as well, it's been upgraded. Yeah, it's upgraded handlebar, everything, all the electronics, headlights, everything works perfectly, and it starts pretty easy. So yeah, right now it's a kickstart only. It doesn't have electric start, not electronic. So right now I'm gonna kickstart it. So yeah, this is the new bike for the channel, and as a next step, it doesn't need anything. I'm just gonna go over it and detail the bike, wash it, and make it like as clean as possible, and then I'll make a deep review about the bike. and then I'll definitely keep you posted. So take care, stay safe out there, have fun.